All right, y'all, it is many hours later. We're having sausage gravy biscuits and eggs for supper. We have sausage patties going there. Look at this too, y'all. We're doing fancy with some canned biscuits in there tonight. It's been a long day.
You can't beat them little biscuits sometimes.
Oh yes, they're good.
I'm telling you, sometimes them little biscuits right there can be a big deal.
On time with some fried bologna.
Yeah, those little biscuits can be a big deal sometimes.
Sissy is watching the British version of Scrooge, or whatever they call it. I don't know if they called it A Christmas Carol or Scrooge. There it is, y'all. Gravy on the eggs on this plate. Sissy's got her gravy and eggs on her biscuit.
Everybody knows that them little biscuits, everybody knows them little biscuits are good.
Yeah. Getting ready to decorate the little Christmas tree on the back porch, but first we need snacks for decorating that tree, don't we? He's already snacking. Is it good?
Yeah.
We're gonna show y'all 3 fun and easy Christmas treats for kids and a Christmas punch. It's supposed to be a gumdrop Christmas punch, but Tyler, he couldn't find gumdrops, but he did find holiday dots. So we're gonna use these, and on the box, look, they make them look really pretty.
And look what they look like inside.
Look at them.
Let me get them opened.
Y'all see that? Those things are not bright green and red like they appear to be on the box, but they're gonna work. We'll use them anyway. We're waiting on them to get done with schoolwork. They're gonna help us decorate the tree back there. Do you wanna do the snowman, the Christmas trees, or the trail mix first? We're gonna call our trail mix Prancer Chow. I couldn't remember the word for a minute. Which one do you wanna make first? Snowman, Christmas trees, or Prancer Chow?
Snowman.
All right, for the snowman, we need the string cheese, the little tomatoes, basil, and I needed a food writer pen, but Ingalls didn't have one, so Tyler just grabbed this black decorating icing for me. We'll use this platter here for the snowman. We got this from Tractor Supply 2 or 3 years ago. I don't know why I looked on the bottom like there was gonna be a date or something, but that's where it came from, Tractor Supply.
Yum, snacky. I'll be right back.
I hope these toothpicks are long enough. We might have needed the skewer sticks, but we'll see if we can make these work. So we're just gonna take our string cheese and cut it like that, and we'll make this one a little bit shorter. So we'll take this toothpick and we're just gonna make 3 little spots for the buttons. We don't wanna do a lot, like I said, since this is cheese. We don't want a lot of icing, you know, on the cheese. Now we'll do 2 eyes and a smile. Now we'll stick this toothpick through this cheese, and it can go pretty far through there. Now we need a piece of basil.
So little?
It's a little snowman. This is gonna be his scarf. We'll just put this piece here.
It fell off.
Oh, okay, I'll put it back. There's his little scarf. And now we put his face right on top. Oh, is he looking like a snowman?
Twist him around.
Now we'll take our tomato.
Karate chop it.
No, we're gonna cut ours into smaller pieces since they're pretty big. This is gonna be like the little hat that he's wearing, and we need a little ball on top of the hat, like, you know, the little fluff ball on top of a stocking cap. There we go. Does that look like a snowman wearing a stocking cap and a scarf?
His eyes fell off.
Did they? Oh no, I smeared his eyes. Careful that you don't smear your snowman's eyes. Okay, that snowman's face got a little messed up, but he's super cute. We'll go ahead with the rest of them. I think 1 string cheese will make 2 snowmen. We love this basil and mozzarella cheese and tomato appetizer. It all goes really good together. I think I'm gonna make the poofy ball a little bit smaller this time. I think it's better to make the snowman and then put the face. That way you don't smear the face. We'll make about 4 more snowmen. snowmen are done. We'll just set them over to the side. Now what, Manny? The Christmas trees or the Prancer Chow?
Christmas trees.
Christmas trees? Okay. For these, we're gonna melt down some of these green candy wafers.
Can I just get one? Those are my favorite. I like them.
You like these? Are you sure?
Yeah, I like. Do you remember those little circle ones?
So we're just gonna melt these down in the microwave. And I'm gonna get some parchment paper out here. And we have the big pretzel rods, so these are gonna be some big Christmas trees. They didn't have any of the little pretzel sticks. Yeah. Oh. Good. So we're gonna break these in half to make them shorter. Maybe even more than in half. Maybe just like, about like that. We just need a tree stump. Just let those dry. Hopefully, when they dry, they'll just pick right up like a Christmas tree. Hopefully. All right, now we'll clean this up and then we'll make the Prancer Chow. We've got peanut butter checks, chocolate checks, bugles, which I forgot I was gonna dip these into some of those green wafers and have them, you know, chocolate dipped on the end, but that's okay. We have Christmas M&Ms and mini marshmallows. We're just gonna mix some of this up in a bowl. Trail mix is fun because you can add whatever you want to. You just mix it in, and I'm loving that they have the Charlie Brown Christmas stuff on their boxes. I've never had chocolate checks before. I've never had peanut butter checks either. They're good. Mini marshmallows and M&Ms. You want to dump the M&Ms in, Manny?
Yeah.
Perfect. Now take the Christmas spatula and just mix it all up.
Oh, that sounds good.
Those are little reindeer noses in there. This is their antlers.
Cute.
Just making that up right now as I go.
Hold on.
All right. Is the punch. We're using Mayfield strawberry cream. We're just gonna put this in the bottom of the cup. Oh yeah, little strawberry. We'll call it strawberry snowball punch. That's what we'll call it. Since we couldn't find the gumdrops for ours. Okay, now we're just gonna take this strawberry soda right here and pour it over the top. Just do a little bit at a time in each one. Whipped cream on top. Now, if you had the gumdrops, you could take 3 of them and put on a toothpick. We're gonna go ahead and try it. You know what, we'll just put 1. Then we'll just put a few little sprinkles around, and there we go. Strawberry snowball punch.